Hi guys, so we are in the city of Awka in Anambra State and we'll be showing you a massive project currently going on in this state. Yes, I don't know, but we'll be showing you a lot about the project and we'll be looking forward to your opinion, to your view about the project in the comment section. And as for so many of you who are not yet our subscriber, just do well to lock it in on our channel because we'll be bringing you updates back to back regarding this project. So guys, we are currently in Awka. As you know, there's this significant or iconic three flyovers in Awka that you must see when you pass through the city of Awka, which is usually very beautiful during the ember period and at night. So that's where we are now, currently around one of them. So this project is going on just by close to the second flyover along that Enugu or Onitsha-Awka road, as the case may be. So we'll be checking it out. Is the solution fund city, yes, being done by the current government of the state. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV, by your favorite tribal family, and do well to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, as always, we love you and we appreciate your love for our channel. So as you can see, we are currently just at the entrance of the solution city in Anambra State, Awka precisely, seated at the heart of the city. So this is going to be a very massive project, housing a lot of things, but there are some wind flying here and there that they want this project to be up and running by the Yuletide period, but we don't know how that is possible looking at the state to which the project is currently. So we tried driving into the compound, but we could not because of the sand heaped there. So I believe just trailers, healers, and all of those stuff that the ones that can go through. So that is the signboard just along the Awka-onitsha Expressway, and these are the things that is going to be present in this solution city. So we decided to park our car and just do a leg walk into this place to give you guys a general overview of what is happening around here. So entering inside, a lot of workmen are on site doing different things at different times to see how they can bring this project up to speed. Yes, a lot of work is going on. Those doing the drainage system are doing, those working on the gate are working, those working on the sport complex, those working on other infrastructural facilities are all doing their job inside of this place. So great work, I tell you. And the road work is also going on. I believe they want to totally tile it by the time they are done with most of the work inside the solution city. Just to bring you guys a little update regarding this, it's going to be a very massive project within the state, and it's a massive project being handled by three different companies. Yes, three different companies are the ones working on this project currently, and they are working around the clock to see that they complete it before the Yuletide period. I don't know how that is possible, but we'll be finding out as time goes on, and trust us to always give you guys the update every now and then. Just to mention some of the things or facilities that will be present in this solution fund city is going to be a sports complex, an amusement park, water park, arcade, cinema, food court, etc. So the government is actually trying to see how to build a city that is fun-packed, and all of these things I listed now are going to be present in this solution city. So we'll be checking them out individually. The sport complex looks like, from afar, what I can see, it looks like what is already up. I don't know if it's running, so we'll be checking that out first before we give you guys a view of the other projects going on inside of this solution fund city. So if you are still watching till now and you enjoy content like this, or you like to stay updated regarding this project, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So as you can see here, like I said, it's as if this sports complex is already being used. Here's like a mini sports complex, and I think they did a tournament there for secondary schools in Anambra State, and I think the tournament has been concluded, but the banner is still placed there. That was the banner we captured, and this is the sitting area at the sports complex, and that is the field over there, as you can see. So This is looking completed already. There are a lot of there are still some sports being done inside of here. I think I saw a long tennis court somewhere, so I didn't see basketball, but I think it's just basically going to be long tennis, football. Probably they'll introduce other sports. I don't know underneath it if there's going to be indoor sports at here, but all of the doors were closed as at the time we visited. So like I said earlier, I think this is currently being used or is already in use because this tournament was done here, obviously, looking at the way the whole this thing is placed there. So I believe it's already in use, and I believe they are doing constant maintenance around just to keep it neat. I believe by the time they are launching this place officially, they might do a renovation around this area just to give it a facelift. So like I said earlier, it is beyond just the sport complex. A water park is going to be here as well. The housing, a lot of Ferris wheel, all of those things children will love to catch fun with. So it's going to be a very fun city indeed. So my people of Anambra State, I would love to know your opinion about this project in the comment section. What do you think of the project? Is it welcoming? What is your opinion? I think it is cool if it's going to generate revenue for the government. Yeah, if they're going to maintain it very well, it's going to be a very good source of revenue. People can hang out, picnics can be done, and a lot of other activities can actually go on around here by the time it is completed. So if you are still watching till now, I would love to know your opinion about this project, even if you are not from Anambra State. And for people of Anambra State, also do let me know what you think. But just to mention as a side talk, the entrance to this place, the road before you turn the flyover is pretty bad. So I really hope that all of those axes along that onitsha-enugu, onitsha and Awka Expressway will be fixed just within the Awka axis. The roads are very bad within, just after the mega filling station. So just help us share, because out here we pass through and the road is really bad. I must tell you the truth, it's really bad. So slows down a lot with the checkpoints there. So a lot of things is just bad. So back to where we are, work is going on massively. You can see people still measuring, foundations are being laid, and a lot of work are going just to bring it up to completion. So great view. Like I said, stay tuned to our channel. We'll be giving you guys all the updates. So if you've watched till now and you still want to see more updates regarding this, and you are not yet our subscriber, please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, as always, we love you and we appreciate your love for our channel. We'll be looking forward to your comment, your review about this project, and you can check us out on other social media platforms as well. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.